Lupus, thank goodness, has not affected me too much in the respect of what I do for a living. Yes, I do have days of fatigue. I do have times where my joints are completely sore and inflamed. But I've been very, very lucky in that I've been able to manage my disease, where I know that some people have it a lot more severe than I do and have harder times dealing with it. But the little things that I have had to do is, if it is a bad day, if I have a day that I can't get out of bed, I have to actually be okay with that and know that, you know what, the next day I'm going to get up again and try to go work out again, because there are moments where I'm on the treadmill and I can't even get through a minute of working out and I just have to turn it off and walk home. For me, when I'm having a bad day, or if I know, to try to make sure that I don't have too many bad days, I don't really do that many things different. I try to live my life the same that I've always have. But I take precautions in certain things. If I try to be aware of my body. Being a soccer player, sometimes it's hard because I go out and do a hard workout and I may just be tired from the hard workout. So it's hard for me to decipher, is this because of my lupus or is this because of soccer? But what I've kind of come to the conclusion is, if I'm tired, I take that day off and I rest and I say it's okay. And then, I wait for me to have a good day again, and I go right back out there and I do the same things that I always do. I go work out. I do everything that I normally want to. But, I definitely think about my future, and I might want to keep playing. As long as my body feels great, I would love to keep playing. But if that changes and I decide to be done, I really would like to coach kids. I'd love to be that role model that I am now, but now off the field, and teach kids to develop soccer players. I would love to create a camp where, young kids with arthritis and lupus can come to camp and have a good time and realize that they can still run around. I don't know if it's changed my personality, but I think it's given me an overall view of life and how precious it is. And that, I, again, have been very, very lucky in the fact that I would say mine's more of a mild case. And I've been able to deal with it and still do something that I love. But I think it has kind of shown me that I need to not take that for granted. I need to enjoy every minute that I'm out on the soccer field, because that's something that I love to do. I have a passion for it. And I got close to almost being done because of lupus. So if anything, it's given me perspective. I don't know if I've had to, at this point, change too much, which is great. But I'm very proud of the fact of when I do have a bad day, initially I would get upset and because I couldn't do something that I should be able to do every day. And then I kind of realized it's okay. And once I could do that, then I felt like I moved forward in life.